So I woke up this morning longing for a bit of nostalgia, just some memories of how life used to be decades ago. A lot calmer, a lot nicer. So I thought what better place to go for some memories is the beautiful Hadlow train station. So it is a very tiny walk, and we are really here just to see the station. So I'm just going to wander up and down and let you take it in. It's a beautiful tiny little station. The Friends of Hadlow keep it maintained and going. It's perfectly free to come and have a wander and a walk, which I think is lovely. There is a donation box in the station itself, and I do think it's worth contributing, isn't it? Because isn't it amazing to come and experience and see something that's still here? And they've replicated it as best as they can that it would have been in, well, say 1952 when it was first built. I'm sure it looked even more lovelier. Isn't it lovely to go back in time? I remember these little fire buckets at our school. Bright red, beautiful. It's just something that sadly the door's not open, but we can have a little look. Yeah, I think they've done an amazing job. What's written on this plaque epitomises how I felt this morning and why I've brought us here. I've got to read it you, it's so lovely. It says, "Stop a moment and imagine it is 1952. The train will soon be in, you can hear its whistle, faint on the wind. Behind you, businessmen and shoppers on their way to the city move aside for a porter pulling a trolley load of mail and country produce. From inside comes the sound of jingling coins and the thud of the date stamp as the clerk issues tickets. A latecomer rushes onto the platform as the train steams in." Doesn't that just say everything about how it is now? It's just lovely. It makes you feel like you're there. Oh, if only we could go back to 1952. Well, it's probably the shortest walk I've ever done, but I hope you've enjoyed it. I think it's been well worth the visit, and I will see you on the next one.